I'm Kelli Emmett. I'm super excited that women riders finally have a full suspension 29er made just for them. It's the first women-specific full suspension 29er. Bigger wheels means increased stability, control, and speed. The bike features Maestro suspension, which gives the best balance of pedaling efficiency, suspension activity, and brake independence. The frame is made from lightweight Lux aluminum, giving it the same great feel as a lot of the other giant bikes I've raced on for years. It feels amazing on the climb and smooths out the rough descents. The bike was designed around the Live Giant philosophy, 3F, fit, form, and function. The top tube is shorter and more sloping than on a men's frame. This suits women riders' low center of gravity. It provides them with more clearance, which results in confidence on the trail. You can also see that the components were designed with women riders in mind. The handlebars are narrower, the grips are smaller in diameter, it has a broader range of gears, and a women-specific saddle. Even the crank length and stem length are designed to suit women riders. It also comes in a wide range of sizes, from extra small to large. So what does all this new technology mean out on the trail? It means I can ride harder technical sections with confidence in rail corners like I've never done before. It simply makes mountain biking more fun.